Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Investing in Brantford. Today I am here at 109 Sydenham Street. It's actually the listing right behind me. It is a duplex with a 1-bedroom upstairs and 1-bedroom downstairs. It is fully rented and ready to go for that perfect investor. So it is listed at $499. If you want more information, please let me know. I'll send you the full listing down below. If you want to get in to see it, I'd be happy to set up a time to show you exactly what Brantford has to offer when it comes to investing in multi-residential properties. So let's go take a look, just check out the outside and let me know what you guys think.